ओके सो यहाँ के दिएको छ भने क्वेशनमा हाम्रो question number 1 here the value of sin theta equals to 3 by 5 sir. The value of sin theta is 3 by 5 and we have to find the value of cos theta and tan theta. यो दुईटाको भ्यालु निकाल्नु पर्ने. Okay, so what we do here, if sin theta equals to 3 by 5 and max equals to, what is the formula of sin theta? The formula of sin theta is p by h. P by h. Okay, sin theta equals to 3 by 5 and this is equals to p by h. So when, what we say, when the perpendicular is 3 and hypotenuse is 5, then what will be the base? When p and h is given, the formula to find the base is root under h square minus
p square.
So the value of h is 5, 5 square. The value of p is 3, 3 square. 25 minus 9, it will be root under 16 and root under 16 भनेको 4. Therefore, the value of p is 4. The base is 4. Now, after finding this, find cos theta and tan theta. Both. The formula for cos theta is p by s and tan theta is p by b. So, what is the base and hypotenuse? The base is 4, hypotenuse is 5. So, this is 4 by 5 and tan theta p by b, so 3 by 4. In this way, you have to do. Okay, so first is finished now. Second number, if the value of tan b is root under 3, find the value of sin b and cos b. So, three number. 3 number ma hamro here alikati ma यसको hint दिइराछु छु. Is given tan b equals to root under 3. So root under 3 छ भने यसको तल you can put 1. अब tan theta को formula p by b. अब त्यसपछि गर when perpendicular is root under 3 and base is 1, then के छैन, h is not given, so h equals to root under p square plus b square. Now find perpendicular, root under 3 square, base भनेको 1 square. Root under 3 square भनेको 3, 1 square भनेको 1. This is root under 4 भनेको 2. अब त्यसपछि के निकाल्नु पर्ने? The value of sin b and cos b. Sin b and cos b. Sin b भनेको sin theta p by h र cos theta भनेको p by h. The perpendicular is root under 3 and hypotenuse 2, root under 3 by 2. The base is 1 and hypotenuse is 2, 1 by 2. So in this way you have to find the value of sin b and cos b. Okay. All the questions are likely same. Actually, म यसले पुरैलाई explain गरिदिइराछु छु. How to do 3 number गरे 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 number 11 पनि सेम छ. 11 मा के भन्न खोजे भने 11a मा here if the value of sin beta is 11 by 5, sin theta को formula के p by h लेख्ने when the perpendicular is 11 and hypotenuse is 5, then the base will be root under h square minus p square. अब यो फाइन्ड गरिसकेपछि अब नाउ अब sin theta sin beta दिएको छ भने तिमीले cos बीटा र tan बीटा को भ्यालु निकाल्नु पर्ने। यो तीनटा फर्स्ट 3 ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिकल रेशियोज भनेको sin cos tan र त्यसपछिको तीनटा भनेको cosec sec र cot। त हाम्रो मात्र तीनटा भनेको छ फर्स्ट 3। 12 नंबर सेम छ, 13 सेम छ, क्वेशन नंबर 14 15 र 16 all the questions are same। सबै तिमीहरूले अब सेल्फ
सर
गर्नु
अब फटाफट होमवर्क पठाउनु
है। तिमीहरूलाई यो हेराइदिउँ, व्हाट्सएपमा हालिदिइरहेको छु। Don't annotate। This is the question। स्क्रिनमा हेर्न सक्छौ है, यहाँसम्म सेम दिएको छ। यसरी हेरिहाल सर र कुनै यसमा सोध्नु पर्ने छ भने यु क्यान आस्क। यदि गर्न सक्छौ क्वेशन्सहरु?
Yes, sir.